Hey yo guys, it's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, and welcome to King Ginger TV. We are back at it, mtanami. As you all know what we do it best. Hlukanisa abantu kulo mhlaba kababa. I've been telling you one thing. Mhlabo wami bafana bami, mhlabo wami. Today is the big day, is the judgment day. Khona abazoshiywa, bayalahlwa. It's over. This is Angisakufuni Home Affairs. I hope you are ready. Ziyakhala my brother uyeza kumina uthi King Ginger, please ngicela ungisize mfethu, ngineyinkinga emjolweni and sengifuna ukuthi ungisethe free, ngingaze ngiyithole behind bars mntanami ngenxa yeyinkinga. Uyazi ke bafethu, I do it best. Umlomo ungathethi imanga, ithi ngisiza my brother sibone ukuthi sithini. Angisakufuni King Ginger TV. Make sure that you subscribe. Take me to 200,000, please. Take me to. Hey yo, boom! It's your boy King Ginger, Cream de la Cream. Welcome to Angisakufuni. On this show, it's whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now. What made you go to Why the food? Why the They always say it is what it is before it was what it was before. King Ginger, Cream de la Cream, it's still the #1 channel. I'm popping mtanami, energy kalo, Angisakufuni. I've been telling South Africans, congratulations to everyone. Obenzu matric opasile. Kusho mina King Ginger, kusho King Ginger TV, kusho Welcome Dlamini, kusho Simpiwe, kusho Eric, kusho Chris bafethu, kusho Uphinda Mzala, kusho thina sonke bafethu. Thank you so much and congratulations to everyone opase umatric. Ingane zenze kahle. Yabona laba baphasile laba bebengajoli. Yilaba bebengaqoki ikete engaka. Yilaba bebegqoka lezi engaka mfethu befocus mfethu. Yabo, so ngiyacela na this year ukuthi nje ningaphaphi noma seniza la iJozi nizo register eVets UJ ngikhona. Angisakufuni my brother, zwakala mfethu usitshela ukuthi ithini. Sifuna ukuzwa inkinga yakho. How's that man?
Lesho mfethu phela.
Ngiyaphila mfethu, ubani igama?
Oh, igama uTK mfethu.
uTK. Alright, uTK. TK une mic yakho la.
Khitango.
Ya une mic yakho la. So ngizokuzwa kamnandi. TK mfethu ungiphalelile uyangichazela mfethu but angikuzwa kahle. Kwenzakalani ukwenzani umjolo mfethu? Take us in so that nomzansi uzokwazi ukunderstand.
Thank you mfethu. King Ginger mfethu, yabona nginemama kahle, saphilisana kahle, abodala ngalithola siphusha bo ma3 iron manje lokho sisonke. Angihlali naye yabo. Hlala ayi1 nami ngihlala nge1. Ukuthi recently I've seen some stuff yabona engekho sure ngazo nami. That's why ngakubona ngathi mhlambe bengaya lapha King Ginger nami ngasizakala ngoba sengiyakhala mfethu.
So take us through ukuthi what are these stuffs oyibonayo and ezikwenza ukuthi wena manje usuya nyakaziseka kwi relationship yakho noma wakho. Sichazele nje mfethu so that we can understand.
Imama mfethu kahle lona le right ukuthi lihlupha li expect izinto ezingekho mfethu. And then angapha mfethu sekunemali ekumele iphume engaphezulu kwemali bengiyikhipha, ngazi if uyangithola wena mfethu.
Okay.
Nangapho sedimanda kakhulu mfethu, senempahla ngena nazo endlini mfethu, ungazi ukuthi uyithathaphi. Sanokufika lo muntu full outfit, ungazi ukuthi uyithathaphi. Yizo zona lezi ingqinamba engibhekana ngazo wena mfethu.
Ngoba lapho ubhalile nokuthi kuneyikhwama, ikhwama ezibiza ukudlula ngisho ifridge lasendlini.
Mamela mfethu, lento aza nazo zithenga ifurniture yasendlini yonke. Uzibuza ukuthi le mali sekayithathaphi.
Hayibo.
Nakhona mfowethu uma uza nebag ye-10,000 endlini
Yeah.
mina ngumuntu wakho ngikunika 5,000 uthini kimi
Ha.
uthini kimi
Yeah.
yadeleleka kahle kahle
Ha. Ibafethi labantwana nibaphe imali engaka. Manje mfethu ke ufuna ukuthini kulomntwana ke manje?
mfowethu ngifuna ukuthi angisakufuni sengikhathele mfowethu sengizwile sengi-right
So wena into ekwenza ukuthi ube right yini ilento ukuthi wena umbona ngoba yena useqoka ukudlula wena noma mhlambe umbona ngoba esephila kangcono ukudlula wena yini angithi uwe phela umnika lama 5,000 what if yawasaver akwazi ukuyithengela izinto ayithandayo.
hey amanga lawo mfethu lo muntu lo khona la le mali ayithola khona so ukuthi akafuni ukusho besendlini kodwa njenge-out nokubona ukuthi mani umuntu wami useqala uyatshintsha mani kuba nama-signs ongawazi angazi uyangithola
Uyasebenza yena umuntu wakho
lutho yimi engisebenzayo
so awusamfuni
angisamfuni
wena usunaye nomunye umuntu.
singasho kanjalo
Okay. Yena awubengakwazi kodwa lokho ngithi. Yeah. No, ngoba nawe uyabona ukuthi uyalimala phela la.
ngiyalibala and lo ngala akafuni mali ufuna mina
And nawe ukhona for yena.
uyalibona udaba lo uyahlupha mfowethu hey
Ukhwalena ngokuthi umuntu otravelayo, umuntu othanda
mfowethu le ngane le inokuthatha 2 months yonke engayiboni ithi ku-antwayo yovakasha kodwa bengena ku-IGI into engiyibona lapha lo muntu kuma-beach front lo muntu kuma-yacht uyibuza ukuthi imali engako uyithathaphi
asimbizi. Welcome. So mfethu kunama options awu2 mfethu. Kunama options awu2 onawe la ukuthi mawuqeda ukuhlukana naye manje la it's either usibuyela naye ngebhasi njengoba sengilethile or simnika u50 rand ugibela itaxi la uye free.
akathola u-50 rand
Welcome. Sikhulumile le out mfethu TK lo. Cela ukhiphe lo cherry bhasini lasekhaya eze la and then azokwazi ukuthwala izono zakhe. So na awuthi mfethu njengoba ufuna ukubreak up nalo mntwana yini usuyamsaba or ubona ukuthi izinto ayisasebenzi or ukwatiswa yilezi zinto anazo.
no sengifike la sengikhathela khona ukuthi angeke ngithi ngikunika i-5,000 wena uze nebag ye-10,000 uyithenge ngani
Ya ngiyakuzwa mfethu ayingeke hayi.
ngishiye endlini ngithi pericari bengifika lapha sekunama-bright chicken kanjani
So ngahlala ngapha sisters sawona. Unjani? Shap. Oh ubanika msisi wami? Unomthi. Oh ngihleli no TK lana. Hey nene no TT. Ngihleli no TK lana and uyasicazela the way enithandana kahle ngakhona another way yomphethe kahle ngakhona. Wena ungathini nje oyithandayo ngaye?
Well, he is a very humble man and he is a patient man and he gives me money and he makes sure that I'm always financially stable.
Aw, but hey, ay boss is there. Kanjalo nje.
Yes.
How? Okay, uyamthanda kwathi.
Too much. He is my TKYA everything.
Okay, no. So sister, ngiyeza kuthiwa wena umuntu nje uthanda ukuhamba indawo iziphi indawo uthanda ukuya kuzo?
Sainton, I like spa, I like nails, I like beauty, I like going to shop and shopping. Yes.
Imali unayo?
Yes, because he is always providing as a provider in the Bible, like God said.
Okay, provider baba wami. So now sister, do you provide?
Yes.
All right. The provider wants to tell you something. Are you ready?
Right. Yes.
All right. Provider, ngicela umtshele konke njengamanje.
nomthi muntu wami how are you love
I'm good, I'm gorgeous.
okay sholo mangela ukuthi why ngikulethe la but
For
ngitshela
the
ukuthi
interview.
okay
Yes.
but ngilethele la for something else
Right.
bro I had enough let's just start there I had enough bro you too much bro you're getting too much every day by day you're getting too much so I brought you here to tell you straight bro mina ngisakufuna
What did I do wrong?
okay there are plenty of reasons but let me start here bro you want money your
Yes,
problem is money bro and you don't have money I'm surprised, how do you want money if you don't have money? And the other thing, you're not working for money.
No, naimali, because you do
But
shopping.
you give me
Hey, Baba, imali iphuma kimi.
allowance, and you said that you want to provide me, and I said yes, I can be in a relationship with a man that is a provider, because in the Bible you are a man of a provider.
Yeah, you are a provider. So when Swami, uthatha kufuni kodwa.
Why not?
Angiyeni babakho mina.
Yeah.
Angizanga la
But
kuzoba
you are too
parents.
expensive.
Wena usuba ingane yami manje.
Yeah.
Njalo mina bengihola mile ngicabanga ama allowance.
And he thinks you are cheating
Why?
with Nigeria.
Why? Because here is South Africa.
Yeah, but now he thinks you are cheating with Nigeria.
But why? Because you as my man. you said-
Mtshele mfethu kungabi ngathi lento iphuma kumina.
Number 1, wena ufike endlini namabhegi weChanel. iChanel imalini?
Yes. If you say you love me, now buy me Chanel like Tyler.
Who bought you that Chanel? That's what I want to know. Who bought you that Chanel?
My savings from the money
Savings,
that
which
you
ones?
Yeah.
Because you're always asking for money. Which ones? And what are you saving?
But you said you want
What are
a
you
future,
saving for,
and
Ikshwan?
a future is saving.
When are you lying to me? Okay, the other day you came with those sneakers. You know how much is a Jordan?
Yes,
Why are you lying to
Where
him?
did you get that money?
because I'm a savings. I don't understand.
Yeah, savings.
So last time you said you were going to visit your aunt. I saw your status
Yeah.
on some beachfront.
Where were you?
What were you doing?
We were in my aunt with a
Jinja
debit
phetha yabo lo
place.
muntu angixhaphaza lona
No.
phetha yikho
Eh,
lento
mfethu,
yakhe.
no. Mtshele nawe lezi zinto ngitshele zona ukuthi
Mamela
awusamfuni.
mfethu, lo muntu lo angisamfuni. Number 1, hlala nemali engayazi uyithathaphi. Number 2, nami self ngifuna imali.
I must be broke.
Relax,
I
relax.
am a broke person.
Relax.
Yeah,
Yabona amazinyo aqhephukile.
yeah.
Utheke ufuna amazinyo fresh.
Yes,
Kesa malini?
Yes.
40k.
Uthe wena
40k.
You promised me to take me to America to fix me and bring back my smile like in the TV.
Hayi bo, sithathwe yimina kanti lesimali mina ngifica njena.
No.
Jinja, lo muntu
wena
ngamfica
upromise
nje.
lo muntu.
Mamela lo muntu
He
amfica nje.
promised me to go to America and buy me a
Hayibo.
clothes like Beyonce and
Hayi bo.
mfethu.
Mamela ke
Ingane
mfethu.
ufuna uba-
Mamela Jinja. Indaba yaseAmerica indaba yami ngibona ugqoka kanjani.
Yeah, wena America.
Nabantu abangifunayo ngale. So ubecabanga ukuthi ngihamba naye kanti bekubizwa mina. Wayibamba lapho.
Oh,
Okay,
so you
wait.
are a liar.
Okay, wait.
You are a lying to me.
Wait.
You are a liar. The devil is a liar, my brother.
Is a liar.
I'm the
is a
devil
liar.
league.
No. You can't leave me alone in this world with all the hyenas and the men that are playing other girls. No.
No, ntombazana udliwe, ngcono udliwe yilwane zasedla ngene indawo phela
You
mina
are
lapho.
not going anywhere, my brother.
Ejinja mfethu buka
Month
la.
end is close and you promised
Tshele.
Mina angisakufuni. It's better, I'll be better off without you.
Why?
Ngikhathele angisenayo imali yakho.
this is your
Endlini
interview.
angisawondli.
To take me to
Abashana
TV
bami
and tell
angisakwazi.
people you don't need me
Yeah.
anymore.
Yes,
Exact,
correct.
exact.
And Siswami, another thing, tell her.
Uthanda imali ngapha ufuna nokusebenza.
Yeah.
Ngitholela
You
umsebenzi.
said you wanted a wife that is going to give you children.
Hayi,
in the
hayi,
house.
hayi.
Tshele nalokho kunye.
Wena futhi
No,
ungakhohlwa ukuthi ifoni yakho
brother.
ngiyayibamba
My brother,
kunamanamba
no.
My sister,
ama-Nigeria
no.
lapha and wena lento yakho sometimes unokuthi ngiyangena lapha ngizwe
My
sengicwile
brother, David.
ngizwe sengicwile
David
kusho
is
khona
a
ukuthi
liar.
ubuya lapha kulama-nature wakho
You know the problem, ne? I am a vitamin person.
Izwa
I buy a vitamin.
wona
and I
amavithamini
take
ongakwazi
vitamin.
ukuwathenga lawo
Because you
wafuna
give me
kimi lawo
that. You
mamine
said you wanted me to be a
God
smoother, right? And a slender. So I wanted to be a
ngificu
smoother.
nje kanti mina sengubob the fixer
Kanti usuke uthini kule
Futhi le
ngane?
ngane le ngathi sengizoyikhulisa wena kanti yini wena
Listen.
ngishilo ngathi angiyena ubabakho
No.
Jinja bo wangifuna ukuyeka
said
le
you love
relationship
me.
mina
And you
angisafuni
promised to
next
marry me.
angisafuni
What is
ukuza
the
next
problem
yale
now?
ngane mfethu le ngane isanda imali ayifuni ukusebenza
mfethu, mtshele nalokho.
ihudu nangapha
Okay, nalokho kunye ukuthi nawe.
ngapha ineyimali
I am
engazazi
practicing my femininity
okay love
power,
let's be
like in the
serious
TV.
wait where do you get the money that you come with at home
You
Nah,
giving me
bruh,
a 50k
mina-
allowance
wait.
and
Angeke,
Wait.
angeke lokho
Wait.
ku 50,000 do. Kanti 50,000, 500
mfethu lo muntu lo ngagayi 5 stina ngemonth bonus
No.
during the week bongabi khona ehlangene ngiyapressa
I
bokumele
am a
ngipress
savings.
Which savings? Why are you not
The
telling
money
me
that you are
about?
giving me, I am saving
Number
it
one,
and
yabo
putting
le
it on
stand.
the account.
Saving.
Mamela, yabo lo mopo la ekhanda.
Yeah.
Angwazi wenze lo bani.
Okay, but first,
Yabona lo mopo la ekhanda. Kashaya
You said you wanted a
namadayimani.
natural beauty with the
Ukubuza
shade
kunayinto into natural mfowethu. Lo muntu uzongifuna ama makeup o 3k imali engenazo. Ukubuza.
TK, imagine.
Udaka lonke lasefowethu
I don't believe it
ufake
too.
Because I am a slay queen like a Beyonce and a Rihanna. What's your problem?
Usileya kuphi? Usileya kuphi?
For
Usileya
you.
kuphi?
For you and
Mfethu
me.
TK, wait,
Ingane
mfethu
uzongitshela.
umtshele ukuthi awusamfundo.
Mamela mina.
Mtshele ukuthi awusamfundo, umtshele nanokuthi futhi wena
You are
usunentombi
breaking my
entsha.
heart like a pieces, like a
My
pieces
man,
and cutting
I found
it.
someone better than you.
Why?
A genuine person who's
Yeah.
willing to go up
Yeah.
and work
We
for
are
themselves.
growing and going overseas.
You don't want to build. You letting me build alone. I don't
I'm
want.
building my future and
Okay,
Indaba
Tinja,
ngikhuluma
wait. Man,
isiNgisi.
okay,
because
asakhulumi
I'm
ngisi.
from Sandton.
Izwe nje nesingisi sakhona. Izwe isingisi sakhona. Umetric ukhona nje la. Mana sobuya lapho. Mana sobuya lapho. Asicale la. I-hairstyle lenzobani? Ngiyabona kuyashayina ku gold, i-baby hair kenziwani wenzobani?
Phakathi.
Where did you get the money?
You remember?
Abona mang.
Wait, my love. Let me explain. I don't understand why you are busy doing this.
Mfethu yabo le ngane inhle kanjani? Yabo le ngane inhle kanjani?
Mfethu.
Impahla zami lezi mfethu.
Sister, I want you to listen to me now. What is
I
happening?
am broken inside of my heart like
Ubhoko ba, na inkinga yami ubhoko ba. Why me? Kanti yimi ufixa. Hey mfethu mina ngiyeni mechanic. Ngiyeni mechanic.
Welcome will give you
Hey,
50
ngiyeni
You're gonna go
mechanic
to the
mina.
taxi rank
No,
and you're gonna
I
get
don't use
Akawoke lo muntu lo. Akawoke.
No. I came here for your interview. As
Yeah,
a
now the
supporting-
interview is
No,
why
no,
umnika
no, no.
100 why?
Hey,
Why?
mfethu ungamniki
My
lutho.
boss is
Ungamniki
400.
lutho lo muntu lo.
What?
from Sandton to here.
Angeke
Ya, yabona selimaza wena ke manje.
Hayi.
Inje lengane ke.
Hayi,
Yabona into engibhekana nazo. Mfethu lengane ufica uthenga ukudla, uyithengele into yokugeza.
Hayibo.
Hayibo.
Welcome. Siqaleni ukunika abantu
I
200.
will
Hayi
not
meke.
reject the money because the money is coming to me.
No, thank you sisi wami siyabonga.
Yeah.
No.
You have been a burden
Don't
into
say
my
sis
life.
wami.
Ubuhleli la. Ubuhleli
You
la.
were calling me my
I'm
friend.
okay. Mamela.
You are calling
I'm
me
okay with you.
Yeah.
Thank you. It's fine.
And
sis
I'm
wami.
sorry, Siswami, you're gonna be swimming with
Don't
the
be so.
hyenas.
Don't be so.
But you-
It's fine,
you-
sis
Me
wami.
want me.
Why is you breaking me with my man, my future husband? The one
Hayibo.
breaking me to
Yasizwa lesingisi Juice.
Because
Enye
if you
into
didn't
engimlahlela
come here-
sona ke lesingisi.
No.
Yabo lesingisi lesi.
Because I'm colored.
Mfethu lengane
No.
unokhuluma
I'm a
isingisi
colour.
Ayikhulumi
ngisho
ngamakhaladi lana.
I'm a colour.
Ngiyaqhela bafethu.
ukhaladela kabani?
My genes of the ancestors
Yes,
of my grandmother,
yes,
they come from
yes.
India, then they mix with black people, then we give me.
Mamela ke ntombazana singikutshela. Hayi ukuthi uyikhaladi. Umqondo udidekile.
No.
Ile imali ekunika
I'm
zona.
going
Yabona
Hayibo.
kodwa sebusweni. Nayo la
Imali iphi?
contributor.
And my breasting.
Izwa.
Okay, welcoming will be taking you to the taxing.
No, I'm not using it. I am using a Bolt. or
No,
a
for the
Uber.
going for the taxis, you.
Okay,
For the going
if
for the
you go,
taxis.
oh, you get
But
you.
what I will say is that you are never going to find a gorgeous and a good girl like me.
Me,
Because-
hey.
No, I know I'm not
No,
perfect,
yeah,
ne? But
okay.
I'm trying to be a good Beyonce for you because I know that in your family they like beautiful girls. So it's fine. If you want to leave me, I won't accept easy, but I will try to go easy on myself like Adele.
Okay, ngizokhuluma isilungu sakho ke. Me find someone, you go, me happy, me someone dates, me someone
yeah,
private
cheating.
location.
You
Yeah,
alone now.
You alone, you in the
Why?
taxi,
Or you and your boys.
and your boys they
No,
will buy
there is
you
no
the
other boys
Chanels.
but you and I think I'm going to
Don't
be
cry.
pregnant. So don't leave
Don't
me.
cry for a man.
What if I'm going to be pregnant? then
Don't
you are
cry
leaving
for
me?
a man.
Pregnant with whose baby?
With you.
When did you tell me?
No, I am not. I think I am going to.
You
be. Don't
hey.
leave me.
Yabona lesingisi mfethu. Nami ngifika ngixakeke
Don't
endlini
cry
ngazi
for a
ukuthi
man,
ngenze njani
No,
mfethu.
I am not
Yiso
crying.
lesingisi, yabo lesingisi.
Mtshela
Ozokutshela.
usamfuni.
I am not crying. I'm just disappointed.
Me
because
not want you
Welcome,
anymore.
mfethu.
You promised
Me
to
good.
buy me a Chanel bag and you promised to take me.
Chanel uyizwako,
No,
yes?
I'm not in America.
Uyezwa?
I'm
Chanel,
in
uChanel
Italy.
one.
Siswami,
uChanel one.
uzorequestela kuphi? Welcome akhiphele ibag yakho lapha emotweni.
No, like I don't want to take too
Asisabuyeli
much
nawe.
because my voice is painful.
Ejinja
and my
mfethu angigibele
stomach is-
emotweni
Welcome.
nale ngane.
Yeah,
Angibuyeli
welcome.
nale
Ngicela ukhiphe
ngane.
ibag. Yeah, your channel back is coming, ne? And then you're gonna request.
I can't believe you take me to TV to tell me all this nonsense.
Kanti ufuna ngenzeni? I'm tired, bro. You too much for me. Angitsizwe mamela. Mfethu, ingisi zithula. Buh. Who bought you this bag? Who bought you this bag?
I bought it in Santon.
Okay, sharp. Thank you. You Santon go and your bag go.
Wena ngisizwe ngawe njalo. Welcome.
Akahambe mfethu, ayihambe lengane, ayihambe.
Leaving a queen like me.
Ayihambe lengane.
Beyonce mfethu.
Ayihambe.
I can't believe you are also involved in all these matters.
Usiza mina yekujinja usiza mina ukuthi ngikhulume nawe ngoba umameli English yami awuyizwa nami yakhe angiyizwa make yami no matric yakhe angazi.
My English is good because I am advanced.
Good. Is your English good?
Why you are not taking me to
Is your English good?
Take me to school.
What?
Take it kanti yabo ngishilo ngathi lengane ifuna ngibobabayo. Ifuna ngibobabayo lengane le mfethu.
He is going.
Abazali bakho bahlule kuse esikoleni bahlule kuziphi imali.
Akasakufuni siswami.
How can you do this to a beautiful gorgeous queen like me? And ate and left no.
Hayi sengiyenzike me did it.
Welcome.
Bye.
Siswami. Welcome is taking you to
Fine.
Texas.
You will miss me when I'm gone. And
Oh,
you
Ibo.
will cry like Beyonce and Jay-Z in their relationship.
Shikuthi happy birthday Beyonce ke.
Happy birthday, Beyonce.
Hey. Ngiyabonga mtimande futhi.
Hayi, ngitshela into engekho.
Ngiyabonga mfowethu. Hey.
Umvusaphi lo?
Mfowethu hlangana naso lengane mfowethu.
3 years.
Mfowethu yabona
Wena
ingane.
iningi izinto ubuyitshela
Mame,
lengane. Cha, iziningi izinto oyishilo.
Bengiyimisela.
Ubuyimisela impela cause
Kakhulu,
kuningi
mfethu.
amanga obulokhu watsho lapha.
Kakhulu,
Why uthi
mfethu.
lo mntwana lona?
Yabona mfethu ingane ufike uyithola injiya
Awumoshile.
khamba isikhathi ichinje
Yabona
mfethu.
ngekho umuntu ophinda alungise lengane uyimoshile. Wayi-encourage nangalesingisi sayo, wayigqugquzela nanokuthi yona uBeyonce.
Inkinga lesingisi ngihlale ngikhuluma everyday indaba lesingisi. Yabo futhi bekudaka ebusweni anguphathi.
Yabo? Hayi.
Hey.
Pethu. Ngeke pethu ebhaseni. Oh, welcome nangu yes. Mshiya welcome lo hawu welcome nangu sewalka indlela ende kanjena no Beyonce. Oh. Mshiya Beyonce kubamba welcome wena. Oh. But siyakubamba nsisipi. Awufaka ingqwele mfethu emotweni mfethu.
Sibonge mtimani.
Yeah mfethu. Hey. Sho, King Ginger Cream de la Cream. Twana se King Indlovu bafethu. I think right now in this world it should be, you know, me, my brother, and actually I'm a look, I'm a like, I am Nazi, Magana. Yeah, I am Luke, I am Nazi Magana. Yeah. Love that brother. Hayi siphukile. Awuzohlala la with my son. Hayi ngifuna sixoxe ngalo mntwana. Yaqala ukubona uBeyonce ngamehlo. Nangoku uBeyonce mfethu. Live mfethu. Lengane iyayifila mfethu yezwa. Ayibo. Ngiyabona uyakudonsa udonswa uye.
Ayibo. I am savings.
Mina
ngokwami
ngoqobo mawuyiletha la isuka isibekiwe vele. I am 50k, I am 5k.
hayi namhlanje
But yazi into engibukile mina yini uthi k uyena wayi encourage lengane ethembisa izinto ethi uBeyonce wakhe nayo ke shuthe ipaquze sokaBhiwa
athi uzoyithatha ise phesheya
ayikodwa izwile awukhulume nami ke bhuti siqale nini ukhipha u200 thina la ekhaya
awukwazi uBeyonce 50 rand Beyonce wonke u50 ngoJanuary kanje
welcome mfethu
ukuthi usuke nginika imali eningi namhlanje ngiyabona ukuthi izosala fe
cela vale show fanama
kunzima ubaba nendodana sebehamba please subscribe with King Ginger TV siyabonga take my father to 200,000 Simphiwe take us home danko
hey yo It's your boy King Ginger, cream de la cream. That's some demand to Mabuyu, Bampolulu, Stars. Welcome to Anti Sakufuni. On this show is whereby I give people a platform to break up. No way, bring it up now. I'm telling my sister, my hey, what made you go to why the food that? Why the food? Why inkinga usekhathele yesena